flaps. And give it some right rudder, get her to go. Come on, get up. It takes a lot to make that thing go up. It needs a lot of speed.
How come it's trying to right so much?
Oh no.
Air flaps still?
Yes. There you go. Get the flaps out. It just takes this airplane a lot of, and I'm holding some up. Okay, pull the power off a little bit. Okay. Pull some up. I need some up trim, Adam.
Yeah. I don't know if I can trim it. I don't know if this dude can trim it. Is that enough?
Nope.
Is it going to the right a little bit as well?
No, ailerons seem to be okay. Just need some up trim. Okay.
Good now?
It does seem to be rolling to the right a little bit, and it still wants to go down. Okay, I think that did that. Come on back around, airplane. Okay, gotta get you in control of this thing. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Can't find the button. There you go. Got it?
Yep.
You gotta hold a little up still, I think.
Oh yeah.
Is it still, you still holding up on it?
Kind
of.
It's not that bad actually. I'm holding a little bit
Did
up.
you, when you connected your radio, did you make any mechanical changes?
No, not really. I didn't make any mechanical. I just did.
I give it a little more up trim. What about the roll? You seem okay?
No, roll's fine. Yeah, roll's perfect.
I think it's just the wind. It's hard to.
Yeah, with the wind today, I thought that was the J3 Cub too. It seemed like it needed trim, but.
Yeah, it's just the wind blowing it around. It's hard to trim a model with the. I was fighting that.
Yeah, let's see. It's fine.
I was fighting the Beaver model and pretty much fighting everything I flew today. Wind's constant.
Yeah, the wind feels lesser on the ground. Well, I guess when I put the plane on the ground and then I got it up, it just feels like the higher up you go, there's more. But
well, we have a battery of trees behind us.
Yeah.
The wind's out of the east today. When it's out of the west, you'll take off nice and calm. So that it gets the top of those trees, it gets blown around.
You think that this September they'll have a float fly or a water flying?
Yeah, they have one every year.
Did they have one last year in 2016?
Yes, October 2nd. I know because I wanted to be there, but I was at the.
Yeah, I couldn't get to that one either.
I was at the Red Bull Air Races. So it was fly model airplanes or go watch a bunch of millionaires fly very fast airplanes. You know who won.
Yeah.
If you get a chance to do that next year, go to that air race. It is a hoot. Going out over and come back around to the left. Go out midfield.
What?
Go out midfield and come around to the left.
What do you mean by come around? Like
Yeah,
turn
just
left?
keep going that way. Now turn, now bank around left. Keep turning right. Get some practice doing left. There you go. Low power, low power. Don't let it get too slow. Remember when you turn in the wind, you gotta put a little power or it'll stall.
Yeah.
Got it? Alright.
Kind of sounds weird today. Like I think it's just probably the wind.
Yeah, wind's knocking it around. It's okay. If
What's
you
the
wait
timer?
2 minutes.
I hear that. I didn't hear that before.
What's it doing?
That noise. I'm not sure if that's
Prop
that
noise.
bad. Yeah. Is that maybe because there was less wind last time?
You're at 5 minutes.
I am. Huh.
Well, you might want to bring it on in. I might have. I don't know what I did. Go ahead and make an approach.
All right, I'm gonna approach.
He says 5 minutes. I had to set for 5 minutes. It still says we still have. Oh heck. You know what? You're right. We overshot it. That's alright. Slow her down now and just.
I'll be a little bit high.
It's alright. Pull the power off and keep the nose down. You get a little airspeed. You're doing fine. That airplane is really floaty. You probably have to go a little long on this one.
Yeah.
Full power. Keep her on the runway. You're good. Perfect. And it's still in one piece.
Cheated death.
Instructor has control.
Alright. There you go. Turn the. Okay, it's secured.
Adam, did he do the landing or you?
That was me.
That was him. He's doing real well.
Landing.
Yeah.
I keep on saying, I'm waiting for him to have a good crash one of these times.
No crashing. No, he's doing real good. He is doing very well. He understands airplanes.